international. Like
yan.
once you have a show in Market, you're bound to go global. So
Really?
everybody that did shows there, global. They do say.
Oo nga.
So you guys bring
Busking
it
na
Let's
backwards.
manifest it. Magic of
Sana po, sana.
So what's the set that you guys gonna have there? What's special about this show before the send off? Can you discuss it?
Are we allowed to say it? Well,
There are
for
five
sure.
people saying no.
Well, for sure, pe-perform namin yung unang kilig, full song. Plus, surprise na yung iba. So, kailangan nyo talagang pumunta at manood
Totoo.
sa amin.
Will there
Yes.
be a preview of the Coachella set there?
I don't know. I don't think
Throwing it
so.
out there, you know, just throwing it
I don't
out
know.
there. For
See
you
you there.
guys, I mean, 6 years. It's been. This is what you guys are doing is talaga monumental. You're jumping from one country to another, doing these things. And was this something that you guys have ever dreamed of? Was it something that you guys ever expected? The 6 years of being part of the group.
This was definitely one of the things that we have dreamed. Kasi, I mean, even before, I remember nga there was a time na we were training and we would have a bond paper written, imagine there's like 80K or something. Yeah, people watching. And now it's happening. So, it's been part of it since then po.
I mean, because you guys are in the forefront of the Filipino music now. You're like in tennis. There's Alex Ayala. In OPM in Filipino music worldwide is Beanie representing us. You're going to Coachella for crying out loud.
Yes,
One
one
of the
of
many.
the.
You
Salamat
know,
po.
and more.
Thank
You
you
guys are
po.
doing that. I mean, what's your advice that you could give to every single Filipina or Filipino that's idolizing you guys?
Keep on reinventing yourself. Like, wag kang matakot to explore. And mag-try. Kasi kami, bago kami mahantong, hantong talaga eh. Bago namin mahanap yung sound namin, we tried a lot of different genres. Bago namin mahanap, okay, this is the Beanie sound. Yun, talagang, you have to be explorative.
Yeah, plus consistency. Really important talaga. Kasi yung momentum exciting siya, pero yung longevity, yun yung pinaka-importante. How will you sustain it? So yun lang, just keep creating songs. May
Totoo.
makikinig man o wala, diba? Yun yung importante. Basta mag-release ka lang ng song. Kasi di mo alam ano ba talaga yung magbo-boom. Or halimbawa, nakapag-release ka na 2 years ago ng song, tapos biglang mag-boom this year. Hindi po talaga natin masasabi.
Now, for
Yes,
you guys,
true.
I mean, there's 8 of you guys, 7 today, but this year 8 of you guys. Who keeps each other on check? Pag yung isa medyo, okay, chill lang. Isa, uy, tara, let's work together. Is that kind of thing?
I think everyone
Yeah.
naman po.
Oo, parang may
Everyone.
kanya-kanyang energy na pwedeng
Oo, eh.
i-contribute sa group
Yes.
pag may na-down or eto, mga high energy talaga to.
She shared her mic. So yeah, when the other one's too high energy, how does one? Kasi kayo, you're pretty much even keel when it comes to performing.
Actually, gets na po namin yun eh.
Yeah.
Parang, before kasi po, parang dapat pag ganito energy ng isa, dapat ganun lahat
Ah.
tayo. But now, nag-gets na namin yung ugali talaga ng isa't isa. Na yung, si Gwen, mabilis malobat yan. Pag 7 p.m., pack up namin. 1
7
p.m.
na ngayon.
7 na. Sabi niya nga,
One PM,
pack up.
Pack
Agad naman muna.
Sorry po, need na po niya umuwi.
sabi niya nga po
Naman
kanina
muna.
eh. Sabi niya po kanina, Jo, ano natin? Hanggang anong oras tayo today? Sabi ko 7. Parang hanggang 1 lang ako.
Aga?
After showtime. Kasi ako ng Bicol. Yes. Nag-birthday yung mom ko. Happy birthday. Mom.
Happy birthday,
Tita!
Happy birthday.
Yes.
Tita Malu.
So Beanie's here, and just some fun questions here on the show. What are the things that people don't know about each other, about you guys? Feel
they
free
know
to,
everything.
to say it.
About
kunwari.
each other?
Yeah.
Hala, ang hirap naman.
Naisip ko na to last time pero nawala sa isip ko. Sabi ko ibibigay ko tong fun fact pag may nag-interview.
Ano ba?
Parang hindi pwede sabihin.
Alam na nila
yan.
lahat.
Ano pa? Meron pa yan. Bago lang.
Any secret talents? Hidden talents?
Hidden po.
I think there's so
Pag
many
ganito, ang
things
hirap
that's
talaga
not so hidden anymore
Yeah,
because
yeah,
we
yeah.
get asked that then. So
I
we
know
get
you guys
to-
go on your
yeah.
lives, right? I mean, if you
Yes.
guys are not with Beanie, you're not doing Beanie at the moment. You have a day off. What is it that you like to do?
Usually lately I've been working out a lot, so gym is my number one go-to lately. If not that, just my place. Yeah, it's either my
What's
place.
the workout?
It's always different because it depends on my trainer.
Okay. How about the others?
Ako usually, nasa place ko lang po.
Yeah.
Tapos, ano pa ba ginagawa ko? Ay, may ano. Hindi lately, parang na-enjoy ko yung resin. Ano yun? Yung epoxy resin.
Are you gonna make
Ayun.
tables and painting and there?
parang-
Wow!
Alam niyo yun. Ito, nagre-react din mo ata.
It's a hard hobby.
Okay.
How about you?
Ako, I go to people's favorite third spaces. Cubao Expo or ano, UP Diliman. Kasi ano dun very nakakahinga ako dun. Kasi
Yeah.
open space. Tsaka pwede ka dun magbike, pwede ka magtumakbo. Tsaka ang sarap ng mga street food sa UP.
What's your favorite?
Kwek-kwek.
Hey!
At mango shake.
Mango shake. Great combo. How about the others in front? People in the front row.
Ako na. Ako po, pag feel ko, nagja-jog po ako. Pero once pa lang naman nangyari, so. Pag
Once
feel
in a
feel
blue
ko
moon.
lang. Pero mostly po kasi nasa bahay lang din talaga ako.
Yeah.
Magwa-watch lang ng movies, gano'n.
Chillin'.
Yes, chill lang.
Okay, Stacy. What do they call her, Staku?
That's my nickname po.
Nickname.
By my lola, by my
Akala ko it's a rap
mama.
alter
Oh,
ego.
that's my alter ego,
Yeah,
Sucha.
yeah, yeah.
Ako, ano ba ginagawa? Rhythmika Apuli yan si Gwen. Ano ba ginagawa? Ako recently, I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone. I try to go out sometimes kapag rest day yung kinabukasan kasi my friends are here na. So, ba't ba ako nag-i-English? So, ayun. I go out every night to have fun.
Me, I just rest. And sometimes, pag ginaganahan ako, nag-shopping ako buong araw.
What do you like to shop?
Pag ginaganahan.
Guys, buong
Pag
araw siya.
ginaganahan. Syempre, travel.
Whole day,
What do you
bruh.
enjoy buying? I mean, buong araw yun. That's a long day.
Yeah, I usually go to all the shops in the mall.
Joke lang! Hindi!
Na-aspire to be like her.
Hindi.
The errands.
Hindi. Oversayang. Pero yeah, errands din. Basta like once in a blue moon din po.
Mm.
Yeah, but I usually just rest with my cats.
Kasi Sheena is a wolf.
Did she get to answer earlier?
Hindi pa po.
Di ba?
Ako naman, siguro before, hindi ko kaya na may vacant na time sa isang araw. So, pinupuno ko talaga. But now, starting this year, parang medyo anong tawag? Parang gusto ko munang listen to my body po. Parang
Nag-jeep ka?
Isang beses lang.
Sumahay rocks.
Kasi syempre, kaka-move in ko lang. So, parang na-excite pa ako sa amenities, ganon. So,
Yeah.
parang, sige, try natin. Parang una't huli ko na po yun.
Try the new pool, the big gym. Yeah, but for you guys, I mean, you guys are living the dream. After Coachella, things will get more massive.
Hopefully.
Globally and everything. I mean, 6 years ago, you were just dreaming of this. You were training for this. Now that it's all so real for you guys, how do you guys handle it every day? Ano yung na-miss nyo?
That's a fact po.
Yeah.
Ano ba na-miss? Kaya lang ako tawa.
Na-miss po namin. Siyempre, na-miss namin yung talagang before anytime kaya namin makalabas with family, with friends. Pero ngayon, parang mas pinipili na lang po namin when to go out. Kasi siyempre, pag may rest day kami, parang gusto namin ipahinga na lang kasi talagang hectic yung schedule po. So,
Yeah.
sana after Coachella, balance pa rin. Madami pa rin projects, but at the same time, may time din talaga to rest. Pero ngayon kasi talagang yung fire sa heart namin. Yes,
It's like
it's
there.
burning.
There's on the wall, there's a sign.
Yes.
Coachella. There's a date. When's the
Opo.
date for Coachella for you guys?
April 10 and 17.
So it's two weeks for you guys. You're doing
Yeah.
2 weekends.
Yeah.
Thank you, Coachella.
Nakita nyo na was it an animated video trailer for Coachella?
Yes,
It was
I
you
saw
guys?
that. Opo.
Yeah.
Yes. Pinanood sa akin ng visual director po namin.
Yeah, so congratulations on that, on the future endeavors. Now here on The Monster, I know last year you guys received an award, so which is really, really big. And of course, for all the monsters that are tuned in, we're here to award you guys. For the Monster Awards, we do got Monster Music Awards, Beanie. Filipino Artist of the Year. It's People Artist of the Year.
Wow,
On
thank
behalf of all the
you.
Monster DJs and all the listeners of the Monster. There you go. You get another. This is 2 years in a row for you guys.
Wow, thank you so much. Monster.
So as you do know that when you win an award, then you have to give a speech. So go ahead. This is your moment.
Yes. Well, first things first, thank you, Monster. RX 93.1 kasi very supportive talaga sila sa amin. Parang ever since, yes, thank you so much po. And kaya naman kahit super busy po namin, talagang we find time po na kung pwede nga, 'di ba, every release ng song namin maka-visit po kami dito. And ayun lang, thank you. Thank you po sa pag-recognize sa talent namin. And yung mga ganitong awards, parang, alam mo, parang na-validate kahit papano. Kumbaga bonus siya, pero parang it's a validation ng hard work. So, thank you po. Salamat. And two more awards. Next year ulit po.
Thank you po.
Wow.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
So do all 8 of them get one, or is just one for the group? who gets to keep it, right?
Her. She keeps
Now, we have we have space po sa office po sa ABS.
Hey,
Sa manager's
nice.
table po namin.
Nice. Okay, so congratulations, you're award winners. And message to all the monsters tuned in. Go ahead before I let you all sing your hot song.
What's up, monsters? Thank you so much, for the love. Thank you sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa Beanie and sa Monster. Sana po makabisita po ulit kami dito para makapag-hi hello sa inyong lahat. So, abangan nyo po yan. Maraming salamat po. See you all soon and bye-bye!
Extra na.
Hindi pa tapos yung interview. Like extra. Okay, so, of course, March 21st, invite everybody to go to that big event. And then, of course, Coachella. Go ahead. Where can they watch it live?
Yeah, so on March 21, we hope all of you guys will come po sa Market. That will be our get-together before we go to Coachella. And for Coachella, sa mga team bahay, there will be a live stream on April 10 and 17. So we hope you can still support us there po. So thank you so much, Blooms. Thank you to everyone who's been supporting and loving us. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies. What's the title of this last song you're going to perform?
Honey.
What's the story behind this one?
Go, bebe.
Oh, Honey, same with Unang Kilig, it talks about love. But I feel like with Honey, mas softer na siya, mas lighter love. Meron ng stability, meron ng assurance na itong love mo na to, this is the one. Kasi sa Unang Kilig, andun pa yung excitement parang, yung first crush. Pero with Honey, ayun na, parang sure ka na, sure ball. This is it. Yes.
I'm sure you guys get this question a lot. Any of you guys open to joining a beauty pageant? Like,
We have!
As of now, I'll be my only
and
Beanie
Gwen
Beanie is
and
B.
Jo.
yeah.
Yes.
But are you-
Joanna.
Ate Aya, sample.
Ate
Aya, sample.
What is
Beanie
the
Beanie for now
essence
is
of
Beanie.
the essence of being a woman?
Na siya, yung Beanie niya for, yung Beanie niya for now, Beanie daw.
So right now, the focus is Beanie.
Yes,
You're not
definitely.
closing your doors.
We'll see, cause I'll be 13 or something.
How about acting? Any of you guys gonna get into acting? Yeah.
Yes,
What
we're
kind of
open
role
na
would you
po.
want to do?
Kadenang ginto.
Anything.
Sinaktan.
I mean, we all got to have our actress role sa sa music video, so
So
we
you
got
get
to
see
try
that.
that.
And your music video, I heard your music video is star-studded. So, which music video is this?
Unang Kilig.
Okay, who was in the music video?
Gerald
Sir
Anderson, Richard Gutierrez, Bong Navarro, si Inang, Olivia Lamasan,
Yes,
Kathy
um,
Miss Charo Santos, and
Miss Kathy Garcia
Yeah.
Molina,
Who directed the video?
Oji Diaz. Direct, Yumi Us, yun po yung prod house
Direct
namin
Kirby.
ever since.
Yes.
Direct Kirby pala.
Ang galing, star-studded. Congratulations.
And Rico po, Sir Rico nandun din sa MV, so
Rico
star-studded.
Blanco.
You.
Hey! I'm gonna pass by. But congratulations, ladies. Wish you guys all the luck and thank you for dropping by the Monster. We'll leave you with one more song. This one's Honey. We got them live, ladies and gentlemen. We got Beanie here on the Monster. Make some noise!
yeah!
honey.
Thank you, Mods.
All Out.
Exclusive interview.
Monster exclusive interview.
Only from Manila's hottest. Monster RX 93.1.